Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tie a very beautiful and wonderful gele, making use of our Sego Gele. The length of this gele is length 60 and our measurement for today is 50-50. We are going to tie a Zara cap gele with our Sego. Now what you're going to do, you're going to turn the back. Then you start making that band for your head. Why we turn the back and did it like this is so that the band will be on the correct side. If you make use of the front side, that's the correct side, and you start folding, it's the back that is going to show. So to avoid that, you make use of the back, then you start folding so that it will be nice. Then this other back part will now be on your head and it will barely show. You fold it 3 times, then you place in front of your head and tie at the back. Just watch carefully. This gele style is very easy to do. The only thing that is going to take your time is the arrangement. After tying, ensure everything is in place before you proceed. Then we begin to make the second part of our gele. What you're going to do here, you're going to fold the gele into 2 like you did for the first one for the band. Then while doing it, you come down, you give you make it to be different, like it should be asymmetric. In fact, let me not use too much grammar. Ensure that when you're doing it, you add a style or a design to it. Just watch the way I do mine. Are you seeing it? We took the front part of that second one that we are doing, we took it down, then left the other side up. So there's a difference from the base and from this other one. But if you don't want to stress yourself in making this, you can just fold it the same way you did the first one. That's the one for the base. After you're done, you tuck it in to the first one, that's the base, and you pin so that it doesn't move. This one is Sego. If it was Ashoke, you'd just tuck it in and maybe it's not going to fall off. But this one you pin. Now the remaining part that is left, we'll use that to form a rose. You can even make it donuts. It depends on your choice, but you know that when you're doing this, you should put it at the back of your mind that you want your Zara cap to stand out from the normal ones. So just watch carefully how I do it, and do not forget to pin. Now when you've moved it to the direction that you want, you pin to the base. Guys, we are almost done with our gele. Now when you're satisfied with the way the back is, the rose is, you proceed to cover the back. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. This is our Zara cap gele. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.